Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install PyTorch in Visual Studio Code. So I have created this folder PyTorch. Next I'm going to go to the terminal and I will create a Python virtual environment. Okay, so in order to create a virtual environment, I'm going to type this command python -m venv and then the name of my virtual environment. Okay, let me just change the name of my virtual environment my-env. Okay, enter. This is going to create a virtual environment for me. Okay, it will have the Python files also. Okay, now just wait until this is completed. Just wait for a while. So it has been completed. Now the virtual environment has been created. Now the next step is to activate this virtual environment. So in order to activate this, I will go to the scripts folder. Okay, go to dir. Okay, now let me open the command prompt here. You have to work in a command prompt now. Okay, fine. Dir, go to the this virtual environment. Okay, dir, and now I'm going to activate this. Go to scripts. In order to activate this, I will type a command activate and press enter. This is going to activate the virtual environment. Now go to the directory my-env and look, this is where you're going to go. Now I'm going to install the PyTorch. Okay, in order to do that, what you need to do, you need to type a command pip install torch. Okay, this will install the PyTorch inside this folder. Okay, enter. Now look, it is installing. This will take some time to complete. You have to wait for a while. Okay, until this is done and dusted. So the PyTorch has been installed. Okay, next I'm going to create a program, Python program for PyTorch. So create a new file and I will name this file myprogram.py, and let me just copy this code over here. Okay, now let me just copy it, Control C and Control V. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. Look, import torch, this has been installed. Now save this program and run it. So in order to run this program, I will just click this run Python file. Okay, so if you look, so the program has been executed successfully. This is the output. Okay, I hope you have gone through the process of installing PyTorch in Visual Studio Code. Thank you so much and have a great learning.